Go YouTube. It's your boys They Go Crazy. And today's a sad day, bro. You feel me? Getting rid of my baby, the hell roller. Oh, why? So we getting rid of her. You feel me? And
let me remind you guys, this is a Corolla, Toyota Corolla, right? But inside this baby, this shit got a 6.2 Hellcat engine, supercharged. So, you know, this baby used to push.
But it's gone today, after today. And we're gonna move on to bigger and better things, hopefully. You know. But yeah, this is my last time in here. I'm gonna run a whole collage or a whole like kind of couple videos of us doing crazy shit in the car. Oh my god, I'm hiding in my car. I'm scared. Oh my god. He's right there. No.
All I want you to do is just please like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Yo, we tweeting. Why you running? Yes, sir. Why you running?
That boy took flight.
Yeah, that boy took flight.
Yo, bro, bro, this nigga broke the fucking arm. Put that shit back.
Bro, you know how many places we went with this
Bro, we went everywhere, bro.
Literally everywhere.
Bro, we went everywhere in this shit. Bro, this is my first car, bro. I bought it, bro, all by myself, bro. First car, bro. We went dead ass everywhere.
The first day you got this
I
car,
got it, smoking hookah.
Smoking hookah in the car,
Bro.
just wilding.
Wilding.
In and out of traffic, bro. No cop, no stop.
Oh, niggas was wilding. Just know that we was wilding. But it was a nice run while it lasted. You know what I mean? It was.
Well, that's pretty fucking long, I'll tell you that.
It lasted pretty long, boy. But like I said, on to bigger and better things, hopefully. Well, not hopefully, but we on to bigger and better things, you know, and yeah. My last time, pal. So I take these off.
Can't forget the shades, though.
Cannot forget the shades. Never.
Never. I can't fucking see these shades. I don't know why.
I got the shades, bro. We got a drink on in the cut. We gonna chain on it.
I can retire it. Because I didn't break it. I just pulled it out as not.
Viva Mexico. Viva Mexico.
Oh, shades right back on. I was chatting.
Someone was chatting. But yeah, bro. It's a sad episode.
It's real early too.
Bro, what time? You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Show them the time.
Okay, well, it's early. Not that early.
But we woke up early as shit to clean this whole car out. You feel me? Because we were doing some lit shit in this motherfucker. We had so much fun in this car, like, it's not even funny.
Bro, fun is not even
a
word.
Bro, we did so much shit in this car, like, bro, if I told y'all wouldn't believe me, the shit we did in this car, bro. The shit we did in this car, y'all wouldn't even believe if I told y'all, bro.
We almost did a 360 in this bitch. I remember one time we was on the highway and bro, we couldn't stop because the pavement was painted.
It was just newly painted, bro.
We was going like 80, and then we was trying to hit a fucking exit that was like 25.
Bro. Hold on.
I felt a sliding, bro. I was like, nah, bro, we don't got it, bro.
We don't got it. And I was like, fuck that shit. We
fuck that
gone,
shit.
nigga. We went to the next exit. Got out on there, but we had no idea where we was at, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
We put the GPS, though. Let's believe that.
I'm crying.
I'm crying inside.
Internally. Yeah, I was gonna say. But it's okay. Like I said, bigger and better things, you feel me? Bye!